Hello students, welcome to the series of online classes from Subham Vidya Mandir. I am Revati, science teacher. By end of this chapter, students can explain freshwater and ocean habitats and adaptations. Today, we are going to learn about the freshwater habitats and also you will learn all sorts of facts about different bodies of freshwater. Learn how plants and animals adapt to ponds, rivers, streams and lakes. This picture here shows different kinds of freshwater habitats. There are freshwater habitats all around the world. 3% of world's water is freshwater. The rest of the water is salt water. Freshwater habitats are home for over 1 lakh species of plants and animals. Now, I want you to listen for the different kinds of plants and animals that live in the freshwater habitats. Lake is an area of water that is surrounded by land. In fact, water covers most of the Earth's surface, but only a tiny part of the world's water is freshwater, the kind of water you and I can only drink. The water in these streams, rivers, ponds, lakes comes from rain, from melting ice and snow. Isn't it amazing? Yes, it is. Freshwater habitats have many kinds of fish, birds, insects and other animals. Fish, amphibians, crabs, turtles and tadpoles are some of the animals found in freshwater. Fish has special organs like gills for breathing in water and fins and scales that help them to swim in water. Thus, they are well adapted for life in water. Many plants like tape grass, lotus, cress, and lilies are found growing in freshwaters. Many of these plants have big leaves, generally coated with waterproof materials, so that they do not rot in water. Here is an example of lily. This is water lily leaf. A water lily like this one is a plant that lives in the water near the edges of ponds and lakes. Plants are important in freshwater habitats because they make oxygen for animals to breathe. Plants are also food for the animals to eat and they can provide shelter to protect animals from their predators. Ocean's habitats. From outer space, Earth looks like an awesome blue marble. That is because most of Earth's surface, more than 70%, is covered by oceans. Oceans are areas of salty water that fill enormous basins on the Earth's surface. Even though Earth has one continuous body of salt water, scientists and geographers divide it into 5 different sections. From biggest to smallest, they are the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian, the Antarctic, and the Arctic Oceans. So students, after going through the presentation, you will be able to explain freshwater and ocean habitats and adaptations in these habitats.